Welcome to the best picks. The best Sahumerio is probably one of the most ancient and revered tools for creating a sacred atmosphere, purifying spaces, and inviting positive energy into your home, offering a unique blend of aromatic resins, herbs, and woods that can transform your environment and elevate your spiritual practice, making it essential to choose one that resonates with your intentions and preferences for a truly impactful experience. Number 5. Bholi Sage plus Lavender White Sage Smudge Sticks. Experience a calming blend known to soothe your mind and purify your body. This aromatic mix brings protection, positivity, and a sense of inner peace, enhancing your concentration and mental clarity. These are carefully grown on private lands and harvested with utmost care, preserving sacred plants. Each stick is hand-wrapped with cotton string, ensuring a natural product free from additives or artificial scents. Ideal for anyone seeking balance and harmony, they are perfect for cleansing rituals, meditation prep, or enhancing yoga sessions. They make a thoughtful gift for those looking to invite positivity and mindfulness into their lives. Light one at a 45-degree angle, let it burn for a few seconds, then gently blow out the flame. Wave it around your space to clear away negative energies and promote a sense of calm. Each set contains 4 hand-wrapped sticks, approximately 4 inches long. Use them to clear negativity from your body, mind, or surroundings, inviting luck and blessings into your space. If it doesn't immediately light up, let the flame rest or burn it longer. Always ensure adequate ventilation and monitor it when lit, and remember not to breathe in the smoke. What we like. This blend offers a tranquil fusion of white sage and lavender, known for soothing the mind and purifying spaces. It's sustainably sourced and hand-wrapped, ensuring a natural and pure experience. If you are looking for a gentle, calming cleanse with ethically sourced ingredients, this is an excellent choice for enhancing peace and clarity. What people say. Number 4. Bholi Sage plus Smudge Kit. Indulge in a serene blend of sinuata, dragon blood, cinnamon, triple flower, and white sage. This harmonious mix cleanses negativity, enhances mental well-being, and enriches spiritual practices like aromatherapy and meditation. Carefully harvested from private lands, these uphold ethical and sustainable practices. Each stick is meticulously hand-wrapped with cotton string, ensuring a natural and additive-free experience. Perfect for seekers of balance and mindfulness, they make thoughtful gifts for cleansing rituals, meditation journeys, or yoga practices. Enhance any space's ambience with these tokens of positivity and harmony. Light one at a 45-degree angle, allow it to burn briefly, then gently blow out the flame. Let the fragrant smoke permeate your surroundings, clearing away negativity and fostering tranquility. For extended use, simply blow on the embers. Each bundle contains 4 hand-wrapped sticks, approximately 4 inches long. Use them to cleanse negativity from your body, mind, or surroundings, inviting luck and blessings into your space. What we like. This kit provides a unique, holistic blend of sinuata, dragon blood, cinnamon, and triple flower sage. It's designed to offer a comprehensive cleansing experience, enhancing mental well-being and spiritual practices. If you desire a rich, multifaceted aromatic journey for deep spiritual cleansing and holistic balance, this varied selection is perfect. What people say. Number 3. Sage Smudge Kit, Rosemary, Lavender and White Sage, 3-pack. Indulge in a journey of tranquility with this set. Crafted from a harmonious blend of rosemary, lavender, and white sage, they infuse your space with calming aromas while dispelling negative energies, creating a serene and balanced environment. Explore the essence of nature with this unique blend. Grown with tender care on private lands and hand-wrapped in soft cotton string, it exudes purity, free from any additives or artificial fragrances. Kindle the path to well-being with these smudge sticks. Beyond their ability to clear negativity, they are a beacon of mental clarity and protection. Gift them to loved ones as a symbol of positivity and mindfulness, inviting a sense of inner peace and rejuvenation. Access the magic within each cleansing sage with ease. Light it at a gentle angle, allowing the flame to dance briefly before extinguishing it with a soft breath. As the fragrant smoke billows, gently guide it around your space, dispersing negative energies and inviting tranquility. Enhance your space with this set of 3 hand-wrapped smudge sticks. Measuring approximately 4 inches in length, they serve as potent tools for clearing negativity from your body, mind, and surroundings, ushering in luck and blessings. What we like. This set combines rosemary, lavender, and white sage to create a serene and balanced environment. It's crafted to infuse your space with calming aromas while dispelling negative energies. If you are looking to create an atmosphere of happiness and mental clarity, this specific aromatic combination will help you achieve inner peace and rejuvenation. What people say. Number 2. Palo Santo Incense Sticks and Holder from Peru. Discover these premium Palo Santo incense sticks, sourced authentically from Peru. They come with a holder, ready to bring ancient traditions into your home. This pack of 12 large sticks offers powerful aromatherapy qualities. Light one to reduce stress and achieve a true state of meditation, relaxation, and rejuvenation. Designed for long burning, each stick lasts an impressive 80 minutes. This allows for lengthy yoga sessions, spiritual reflection, and attracting positive energy. We pride ourselves on using only natural Palo Santo in these sticks. Enjoy the pure vibrations and alluring, authentic scent as they burn. Crafted from traditional holy sticks of wild Palo Santo wood, these are made with a fine grind. This creates tight, high-resin sticks for a more authentic and regenerative burning experience. Each stick is meticulously handcrafted and hand-rolled from holy wood. This ensures an artisanal experience, connecting you with the spiritual realm, not mass production. What we like. These are authentic, handmade Palo Santo incense sticks, known for powerful aromatherapy. They offer an impressive 80 minutes of burn time, perfect for extended sessions. If you value traditional, long-lasting spiritual tools for deep meditation and attracting positive energy, these high-resin sticks are ideal. What people say. The Sahumerio provides a pleasant and lasting aroma. Its consistent burn ensures a complete experience. The product's design allows for easy handling and use. Number 1. Ceremony Incense Holder. This innovative design ensures all fallen ashes are captured, keeping your space impeccably clean. You won't have to worry about wind or fans scattering them everywhere. It features an upgraded metal clip that firmly holds various incense sizes, from 1 mm to 5 mm. This durable clip won't bend, ensuring your incense burns perfectly without damage. More than just a burner, it's also a beautiful piece of home decor or artwork. Watch the fragrant smoke flow gracefully, adding joy and anticipation to any room. Its unique aroma is pleasant and helps relieve fatigue. It creates a tranquil atmosphere perfect for meditation, yoga, spa, reading, or any space needing calm. This makes an excellent gift for housewarming, birthdays, Mother's Day, or Thanksgiving. Share the gift of relaxation and beauty with your loved ones. Your purchase includes a glass ash catcher, brass rod, wooden base, an ash brush, and 20 incense sticks. You'll have everything required to start enjoying it right away. What we like. This innovative holder features an anti-ash design with a glass catcher, ensuring a clean experience. It comes with an upgraded, adjustable metal clip that firmly holds various incense sizes. If you prioritize cleanliness and versatility in your incense burning, this holder, complete with 20 sticks and a cleaning brush, offers a mess-free and elegant solution. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no specific points could be extracted as per the instructions. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.